to do with it. This Woodpecker runs on high-octane skill. Time to warm up.
Well, grind my valves. That's the kind of guy I've been looking for.
Hey, what's the big idea?
Yep, I like your response. Yes, you'll do.
I'll do what?
Mr. Woodpecker, how would you like to make $1 million?
$1 million bucks?
Where do I sign?
Snazzy Motorcycles is proud to make you its new spokesman. And you get to ride that in the big race today.
Wowee!
How? Tweaky, we'll never have to scam again. Not after my new motocross protege snags that $1 million contract.
Hi, who's your new protege, boss?
Well, duh. It's you, nitwit. But first, we've gotta get rid of that Woodpecker.
Whoa! Bellissimo!
Well, hello there, chump. Chum. I'm Ansel Buzzard, Snazzy Cycles photographer of the stars.
I'm Woody Woodpecker, soon-to-be millionaire and owner of this cool bike.
Oh, good. Well, I'm here to shoot you. That is, shoot your picture for Snazzy's big billboards. Tilt your head back. I want to expose, to see your chin.
Like this?
That's perfect. Now watch out for the little bitey.
Oh, a lucky penny. Ow! What was that?
Probably some of your adoring motorcycle fans. Let's move out of the limelight, shall we?
I think I might herniate.
Oh, Mr. Woodpecker, we're ready for you on the photo set.
Hey, are you sure you're a photographer of the stars?
But of course. I shot them all. Ursa Minor, Canis Major, surely you've heard of them.
Yeah, surely.
Now ride straight up that hill and we'll myrtleize you. We'll immortalize you. Film is forever. Unlike woodpeckers who are done for.
Oh, boy.
Oh, Twinkie! Help! Twinkie! I gotta do something about that flash.
Hey, there was no film in that camera. What the heck's going on around here, bub?
I must have forgot to load the film. Yeah, we'll get it right next time.
This is the last shot. If you don't give me this time, I'm leaving for the race.
I'll get you this time. See? Film!
Get me like this!
This quick-drying cement was pure genius, Tweaky. Now we'll get rid of this blockhead once and for all.
He sure is heavy for a little guy, boss.
Now to dump him off the cliff and make you the Snazzy Cycles poster boy. Wow.
So, but you could get rid of me and take my $1 million, eh?
No, pal. It was nothing like you think. It was all a misunderstanding. Yeah.
The race is about to begin. All entrants to the starting line.
So long, suckers.
What's this? Looks like a late entry.
Coming through.
Wow, what a race! The 3 pros are out, and we're left with the 2 challengers.
Gee, nice handlebars. Don't mind if I help myself. So long.
Whoa! Oh, yeah. A 2.5 double gainer with a forward twist, and I'm right back in first place.
Oh, what a spectacular move by Woody Woodpecker!
So he wants to be a spokesman, does he? Well, I'll jam this in his spokesman.
Hey, Bob, I think you'll find our spinning classes very invigorating.
Oh, this is gonna cause serious engine braking.
These challengers are giving us one explosive show, folks.
Oh, we'll give them explosive, all right.
Oh, yeah, and then we'll get what's coming to us. Right, boss?
The $1 million contract.
Oh, try to fire me, will ya? Looks like you got turned into poster boys after all.
And Woody Woodpecker, spokesman for Snazzy Cycle, is today's big winner!